Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Cini, Lisa Mateo, and we're joined by Bloomberg's Denisa Sekova. Denisa, what are you looking at today?
Everyone's talking about crypto, so let's look at the cryptocurrency exposed stocks. Of course, Coinbase, a major one, up about 2% year to today, and then 60% year to date. This is really one of the biggest winners. Bitcoin itself obviously is rallying past 120,000. It's up 30% year to date. And we're in crypto week. Recently, the Congressional Committee declared this week is crypto week. We have major legislation moving through the U.S. House of Representatives. It's coming at a time where we have a lot of institutional demands. We have retail demand. We have ETF flows going wild in that space, going back to almost as high as they were in the beginning when those funds were launched. And really everything is up. Riot platforms, Mara, Circle, there are so many companies benefiting from that. There is stablecoin legislation going forward. So really, as markets are seeing mixed start of the week, crypto is emerging as one of the winners here.
Boeing also got some good news from investigators. So is that helping shares at all?
Yeah, we're not seeing a big spike. In earlier trading was a little bit stronger, but Boeing indeed is up. The ticker is BA. It comes after a preliminary report that the Air India crash, and they found no evidence so far that would require them to take actions over Boeing 787 aircraft and the General Electric engines. General Electric is up on the news as well. The accident doesn't appear to have anything to do with the aircraft design, which is important for Boeing. Obviously, it had a very rough year last year. It was down 30%. There were investigations and there were a lot of issues with some of its aircraft. What we're seeing this year is the stock is up 30%. We're seeing a lot of optimism today. Citi boosted its target. Bernstein boosted its target, citing increased confidence in 737 and 787 production. So today, really good news for Boeing based on the investigations.
And a 52-week high for the stock. So it seems like it shed some of its concerns that a lot of investors had. And out of that Air India crash, I just kind of was looking at a lot of the news. It kind of looks like pilot error. I don't know. I mean, just because you have to physically flip those switches, and they don't make it easy to flip those switches either. So
Exactly. It seems like the preliminary investigation finds that.
Ooh, that's tough. All right. One more.
We have Best Buy down on the day. It's coming off a Piper Sandler downgrade. It's currently neutral. They say they don't see meaningful catalysts in the coming quarters when it comes to earnings growth. Obviously, that was a big beneficiary from the pandemic boom. A lot of people were splurging and buying so much. And, it's definitely been a slowdown. The company is down 18% year to date. The company has been trying to reduce its exposure to China, but last earnings season, it reduced its sales and profit outlook. So it's definitely been one of those retail names where we see a lot of pressure. We saw Prime Day doing great, but clearly it has a rising competition for Best Buy, and that's putting a lot of pressure there.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.